Oranges are a popular citrus fruit known for their vibrant color and refreshing taste. They are rich in vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system, maintain healthy skin. Oranges also provide dietary fiber, which aids digestion and contain antioxidants that protect against cell damage. Typically eaten fresh, oranges can also be juiced or used in a variety of recipes. From salads to desserts, they grow best in warm climates and are cultivated in many regions worldwide. Their sweet, tangy flavor and numerous health benefits makes oranges a favorite choice for snacks and meals. Additionally, orange peels can be used to add zest to dishes and often used in making marmalades and essential oils.